What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to give you my 2019 goal setting strategy. Now, I'm shooting this video, it's January 1st, 2019. I just got done putting all my goals into my planner. Now, I do this every single year, and yes, I do have a paper planner. I do not put it on, it's not in electronic form like on my computer or my phone. I like to have it physically here. I can open it up, I can write in it, I can go back, I can check things very easily. I've been doing this for about 10 years, 10, 11 years, and I continue to do it because it works. So, what I want to show you is how do I plan out my certain goals. I'm going to explain a couple of my goals, and I'm going to kind of show you how I break it down based on what's in my planner as well, alright? So this is exactly what I have in here. I'm just going to show you and kind of explain my thinking process behind it. The reason why I do this in this specific way is because I find that if I can maintain these smaller goals, it helps me build this bigger goal. Because if you think about it, if you try to make $1 million, it's very difficult. But if you try to make $50,000 and you do 20 different things, it's more manageable, right? So here's what I do. Let me open this up quick. Alright, so, and I'm not going to tell you exactly what this is for, but, so one of my goals is to earn $2,000 a month from blank. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you what that is, but that is by April 1st, 2019. Okay, so that is the first thing I do. That is my goal. My goal is to earn $2,000 per month from blank by April 1st, 2019. Let me explain two things. The first thing I want to explain is the reason why I use April 1st instead of March 31st or 30th is, for one, I don't have to remember how many days are in the month. Yes, I do have my calendar in front of me. I don't really want to check it. All I want to do, and I've been doing this for a while, is just the beginning of the month. The beginning of the month, so I have up until 11:59 on the very last day of March before we roll over into April. So that's why I use April 1st, August 1st, September 1st. The only day that I do use 31st is December 31st. That is it. All right. Second thing I want to explain: earn $2,000 per month from blank. The reason why I don't just use 1,000, usually I use 2, 25, or 3 for like new businesses, is because $3,000 obviously it's about $100 a day. $2,500 is kind of a round number. $2,000 a little bit more than 1,000, which is kind of my base. If I have a new business and I can't make $1,000, then I'm probably not going to spend a whole lot of time with it. So this year I decided to go with $2,000 as my minimum, or I'm just going to drop the business and move on to something else. So let me explain how I go from here. Earn $2,000 per month from blank by April 1st. It is now January 1st. So one of the things I will do, earn, okay, I'll do 700 and, actually I have $800 right here. $800 month from blank, okay, February 1st, 2019. Okay, so that's one of the things I'll do. The other thing I'll do is I'll go down a little bit further. How am I going to do this? So, reach out to, actually I will reach out to 5 influencers on Instagram. Okay, and this one is February. Actually, I'll just keep it like that. February 1st, 2019. Okay, so that's one of the things I'll do. Is my goal is to earn $2,000 per month from blank by April 1st, 2019. But my secondary goal, the basic goal, what I want is, it's the closest thing that I have to me, the closest goal is earn $800 in the first month from blank by February 1st. That was 1 month away. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that by reaching out to 5 influencers on Instagram by February 1st, 2019. Okay? So obviously if I want to make $800, I need to reach out to these influencers before February 1st, or else I'm not going to make it by February 1st. Okay, that's one of the things I do. So I don't just write down, I want to make $10,000 this year. I want to make $1 million. I write down what my ultimate goal is, what the secondary goal is, how am I going to achieve that main goal, and it all starts from the bottom and goes up. If you know what your main goal is, you should be able to break it all down based on the month, based on the financial figure, based on the amount of work you got to put in, something. For example, if I want to say I want to lose 50 pounds, let's say I want to lose 50 pounds over the next year, my goal wouldn't be I want to lose 50 pounds by December 31st, 2019. Yeah, I could do that, but my goal should be I will lose we'll do 10 pounds. I will lose 10 pounds by March 1st, 2019. Okay? So that gives me 2 months to lose 10 pounds. That's 5 pounds a month. That's doable, right? And if you consider 5 pounds a month, over the next 12 months, that's 60 pounds. So yeah, would I reach my 50-pound goal? Yeah, I would. But you have to break it down. And that's where most people struggle, is that they're not willing to break it down that much. Also, here's another tip for you guys. So instead of doing stuff like that, let's say you want to really build your business. So I would do something like I will, okay? Always do I will, okay? When you say I will or I can, it kind of puts that into your head that it is going to happen. Don't just write, make. Don't just write going to, okay? Right, I will earn $500 from, let's say, from YouTube, okay? And then if I could type February 1st, 2019, okay? I will earn $500 from YouTube February 1st, 2019. Another thing you do, I will make 15 YouTube videos, okay? So February 1st, 2019, here we go. I will comment on, let's see, 30, actually we'll do 60 YouTube videos, okay? We'll do the same thing, February 1st, 2019. The reason why I write I will again is because it kind of reaffirms what I'm going to do. I am going to do this. So I'm not just going to write, earn $500 from YouTube, make 15 YouTube videos, comment on 60 YouTube videos. I write I will, I will, I will. Okay? Some people write I must. Some people write, like I said, going to. You can kind of do whatever you want. Just do whatever works for you. So that, is kind of what I do. And that's pretty much what this book is all about. Now, this book is broken down. If you want a planner that works really well, here's what I suggest. So right here in June, okay? So this is June right here. What I suggest is you get a planner that has all the days, okay, just like this, okay, in like a calendar form, has notes on the side, but also on the following pages has the month broken down day by day. This is where I'm going to put every single task that I do. Again, I do this every year, okay, and I do this in paper form. Do this on an actual calendar. Do this on a planner just like this. If you want this planner, I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. You can get it right off of Amazon, okay? But that's all you need to do. Start now. Figure out, okay, what is it that is most important to me for 2019? Once you know that, what is most important to you to get to that goal that you need to do right now, January 1st, January 2nd, maybe it's February 1st. Okay, whenever you watch this, I have no idea. But figure out what is the most important thing. That is your priority. Okay? And that's what you need to do. Wake up early. Wake up at 5 o'clock every single day and hustle on your yearly goals. Most people that I talk to, that I've talked to for years, they always tell me the same thing. It's December, 28th. I only have a few more days to reach my goals for 2018. What do you recommend? Well, a lot of people that I talk to never really even got started. They never got started, and that's all I can really tell you is just start. Write down your goals. Start putting the first step forward and do something. That's all you got to do. So hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully this video gets you motivated to write down your goals. It doesn't have to be in a fancy planner. It doesn't even have to be in, you use one of these. Use a little legal pad. That's all you need. Yellow piece of paper. Use blank piece of paper. Write it in your phone. Do something. Just have it available to you so you can look at it and you can kind of gauge where you're at with your goals. Trust me, I highly recommend you do it because it will work. So, if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.